Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries in your Kwikset SmartCode 909 deadbolt. So if the keypad is flashing red, the lock is responding slowly, or you have received a low battery warning, it's time to install a fresh set of batteries. So let's go through the process step by step. So first of all, you need to get 4 new AA alkaline batteries. Kwikset recommends using quality non-rechargeable alkaline batteries for better results and better performance. Afterwards, you need to go in the inside portion of the lock using a 3 to 32-inch Allen wrench or screwdriver, and then you just have to simply remove the side screws and carefully take off the battery cover. So this will expose the battery holder inside the lock. So you just have to simply locate the battery pack at the top of the interior assembly. You will see the battery holder marked with the word door. So you just have to slide the battery holder upward and pull it out of the lock. Afterwards, you just have to simply remove the old batteries and then insert the 4 fresh AA alkaline batteries. So once the new batteries are installed, you can slide the battery holder back into the lock and make sure that it is also fully seated before reinstalling the battery cover and tightening the screws. Finally, you can just simply test the keypad and the deadbolt. You can lock or unlock the door several times using the user codes that you set, and if those are responding, it simply means that you have successfully replaced the batteries. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.